Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will walk you through the integration of QuickBooks to eIMMIGRATION. You can do this by being signed up to the optional module titled QuickBooks. It is important to know you must have an active account with QuickBooks, specifically the cloud version. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. Before we can use QuickBooks, we must link it to our eIMMIGRATION account. This can be done in the Admin Tools page. To access the Admin Tools, click on the Settings button on the top right and proceed to click on Admin Tools. From the Admin Tools page, let us go to our application settings. To the right, you will see the button that says Intuit QuickBooks. Click on it and two new options appear: Authorization and Settings. Let us click on Authorize and click on Authorize QB Access. You will then be sent to a login page from Intuit. Sign in with your login credentials. You will then see a message asking you to authorize third-party access. Click on Authorize. The connection to QuickBooks has now been established, but before we go into the Caseworker portal, let us click on Settings. You will set the charge status to either pending or accepted. If selecting pending, you must accept the charges in QuickBooks. If selecting accepted, it will show as accepted automatically. Once you've made a selection, click on Save. We are now ready to create charges in the Caseworker portal. To access the Caseworker portal, click on the Settings button on the top right and proceed to click on Caseworker module. Once inside the Caseworker portal, locate a case you wish to start applying charges. Once inside the case, you will see the button on the right titled QB Billing. Click on it. From here, you will be asked to find the entity's name on QuickBooks, meaning we will find the person on your QuickBooks account. You must have a profile created for this person in QuickBooks. You can either type their whole name or partial name and click on Find QB Entity. A list of possible matches will appear. Once you find your client, you will click on Select. If you link the wrong person, you can always click on Change QB Binding. However, we will proceed assuming this is the correct person. We will see the Create Charge button. Click on it and you will see a new button appear titled Add Charge Item. We will click on that, allowing us to create charges. The first thing we will select is Item. If you have default services created on QuickBooks, they will become an option here. It will list a description, allow you to select the quantity, and then define the rate. If you do not have any default services in QuickBooks or simply want to submit something different, you can always manually select the description, the quantity, and the rate. Once you've added your charge, you can proceed to add more charges if you like by clicking on Add Charge Item. Once finished adding all your charge items, you will click on Submit Charge to QuickBooks. From here, you can now log into your QuickBooks account. From your QuickBooks account, you will click on Invoicing and select the subcategory titled All Sales. You should now see the expense submitted from eIMMIGRATION. You can proceed to create the invoice and other tasks on QuickBooks. This concludes our video on the optional module, QuickBooks. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.